wait. Yes. Ay. He felt that. Let me finish. Good, yeah? There you go. He's still there. He's still there.